Guys, let's go over the ingredients to make this pasta dish. I'm using some of the bow tie pasta, which is nice. The key or the star of the show is going to be smoked salmon. I'm going to use some avocado, top it off with a little bit of chili, because I like a bit of chili. You don't have to add the chili if you don't want to. Baby spinach, pecorino romano cheese. This is a beautiful grated cheese. Parmesan, like a Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to put some fresh herbs in there. I've got some basil, some oregano, and some beautiful fresh parsley. We're also going to use 100 grams of unsalted butter. Let's get the water boiling. Let's cook the pasta and I'll show you how to make the sauce. My water is on the boil for the pasta. And now I'm going to put this, and I want this pan on nice and low. To the pan I'm going to add 100 grams of butter and let that softly melt through. And now I'm going to add my cream. 500 grams heavy cream. Add some salt to the water, and I'm using 500 grams of the bow pasta. And now we're going to add our cheese. Now, depending on how much cheese you like or how thick you want your sauce, I'm going to add a couple of cups of this, and then we're going to test. We'll see if we need to add any more. You might need to add more cheese, but at this point I've only used about 2 cups. Going to drop in my avocado, 1 whole avocado, a tablespoon of chopped fresh chili, 60 grams of baby spinach leaves. And now we're going to taste see how much seasoning we need. But I am going to add some cracked black pepper, a couple of leaves chopped up of fresh basil, and about 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. The sauce is quite runny, as you can see, but when we put the pasta in, it's going to absorb some of that liquid, so you don't want the sauce too thick. And about 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano. You can use dry for these herbs. Now I'm going to turn the heat off, and I'm just going to wait for my pasta to cook. Okay, now my pasta is ready. I'm going to drain the water off and add it to the sauce. Going to add a little bit more cheese, and a touch more pepper. I'm going to finish it off with some beautiful smoked salmon. Touch of oregano, fresh oregano. And we're going to garnish with some beautiful fresh basil. And for the colour contrast and a little bit of kick, a little bit of chili. That is a showstopper pasta dish. You can make at home and serve it to your family. Just a touch more cheese, just a little. I just wanted to try a little bit of the pasta. This dish here I'm going to leave for my wife, so I don't want to spoil it by eating it. I know what it tastes like because I've made it before. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. There you have it. That is my smoked salmon bow tie pasta with 3 different herbs, kick of chili in there, pecorino romano cheese, and I didn't put any garlic in there. It doesn't need it, trust me. But if you would like to put garlic in, go for it. Thanks for watching my channel. The recipe is in the description below. Have yourselves a fantastic week, and I look forward to making some great food for you next week. Until then, take care.